Fields of green and seas so blue, they answered Judas' call. With courage strong and hearts so true, they stood up tall for one and all. Veterans, we salute you today. For your service we humbly pray. Your courage and spirit will always stay in our hearts forever and a day. Through storms of war, they faced the night. Their bravery shone so bright. Fields of green and seas so blue, they answered Judas' call. With courage strong and hearts so true, they stood up tall for one and all. Veterans, we salute you today. For your service we humbly pray. Your courage and spirit will always stay in our hearts forever and a day. Through storms of war, they faced the night. Their bravery shone so bright.